Hey, Cora.
Hi, cool mommy.
Who is this from? Who's this present from?
Grandma.
Here you go. Can you sit down on your couch and open it? Sit down.
What's that?
What is it? What is it?
Toy.
Is it a candy toy?
Yeah.
Can you bring it over here so I can open it? Here. Can you keep recording? Or bring it over here. I'll help you open it. Who do you think it is?
It's Beast.
Is it Beast? I don't think it's Beast. It's
Dog.
Chewbacca. Do you know who Chewbacca is? Do you want red or purple candy in your Chewbacca?
This one.
This one? Okay. Do you know who Chewie is?
Candy.
But who is this?
Eyes.
It's Chewbacca.
It's Chewbacca. It's Chewbacca.
Is Chewbacca in your book of colors? Of Star Wars colors?
Yeah, I love it.
What color is Chewbacca in your Star Wars book of colors? What color is he?
Gray.
No, he's not gray. What color is he?
Brown.
That's right.
I saw Chewbacca at the Disney World.
You did see Chewbacca at the Disney World. Good job. You remember that all by yourself.
Yeah.
Did you hug him?
Yeah.
Did he hug you?
Yeah. He's talking to me. He's talking to me.
What did you say to him?
I say hi, Chewbacca.
Yes, you did. And you also said, sit. You thought he was a dog. Don't eat them. Hey, Cora. Hey, no, don't eat them. Don't eat them. You have to get them out of your Pez dispenser. These are called Pez. Can you say Pez?
Pez.
These are pink Pez.
Pink Pez. Can I eat them?
Only after I put them in your Chewbacca.
Yeah, I picked him at the Disney World. And I forgot him.
Here you go.
And look.
Can you look at the camera and say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Are they good?